Let's do like a frisbee throw at that. I didn't like the sound of that Rebel case today. There's a couple cases. Best thing about it though, if you're a case company, probably have a screen protector. Include it. I'm well trained. Just like that. They also included an entire screwdriver kit. Extra screws. Got your case. Choo-choo. Fresh from Apple, by the way. Screen's fine. Camera's fine. Shall we do a little bit higher? Yes, we shall. Get some nature in there. That's not promising, and yet it's fine. Very nice. Let's do like a frisbee throw at that. I didn't like the sound of that. Not bad. Hit right there, got in the corner a little bit. Included screen protector, good camera protection. It saved my phone, actually. So, see, she heard about it. Thank goodness. It saved my phone. Thank you very much. Very nice.